Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a healthy brownie recipe that is gluten and atta or maida free and is made with a secret ingredient that is very high in protein. I will also be sharing some bonus tips in the end, so make sure you watch the full video and stick till the end. Now, to make this healthy chocolate brownie, you are going to need boiled or canned chane or chickpeas. Yes, that is our secret ingredient. Sugar, dark chocolate chips, peanut butter, cacao powder, milk, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Now you can find the exact measurements in the description box just down below this video. Okay, it's really easy to make this healthy brownie. We're just gonna blend all the ingredients together in a blender except the chocolate chips, which we will add later. Now, of course, add the liquid ingredients first because that makes the whole blending process so much easier. Once the ingredients are fully blended, we will go ahead and fold in the chocolate chips. And then transfer this batter to a greased brownie pan. Spread it evenly. And finally, add some additional chocolate chips for presentation and make it more appealing to the kids. Now we'll bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes and allow for it to cool for additional 15 to 20 minutes before cutting it into squares. Now serve it with some berries or a scoop of vanilla ice cream if you want to take things up the next level.
I like the brownie a lot.
And enjoy your healthy dessert. Now for the bonus tips. The first one is you can use almond butter in this recipe. I have a video already up on my channel on how to make almond butter at home if you do want to check it out. The second one is you can replace the sugar with coconut sugar or dates if you want to make it even more healthy. Hope you enjoyed this healthy brownie video today. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.